Greetings to all. Our research paper for the presentation is titled as Financial Anxiety Among Salaried Individuals. Myself, Sheena Matthew, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Basilios Paulos II College, Pramadam. The paper is co-authored by Dr. Vineet K.M., Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government College, Tripunithura. Every human person is a bundle of feelings and emotions. Even with a newborn baby, we were able to distinguish between the different types of emotions. It is one of the emotional states that may limit the amount of happiness that one may experience in their life. Anxiety is one of the emotions that may do this. Financial anxiety is defined as anything that causes individuals to be concerned or fearful about their financial conditions, such as lack of income, too much debt, wondering about the future, and so on. It is also caused by a lack of comprehension of digits or numbers on the part of the general public. In the event that someone is faced with it, they may attempt to escape it, which will only serve to exacerbate the problem and eventually lead to greater worry. Individual success is dependent on one's capacity to make educated and successful judgments on the management of one's finances. We have done few relevant reviews of literature. Cristiel Archuleta et al. In their study found that financial satisfaction, student loans, and gender are associated with financial anxiety. Gilna K. Shapiro and Brendan J. Burchell revealed that higher levels of financial anxiety displays reaction latencies while processing financial information. John E. Grable et al. Concluded that those who seek the assistance of a financial advisor exhibit low levels of financial anxiety and moderate to high levels of physiological arousal. Paul Gerans and Douglas A. Hershey found that persons with lower levels of financial literacy remain less likely to seek professional financial advice. Alicia G.T. et al. Found that the civil family support and gender were moderators of financial stress in relation to general anxiety. Yoshihiko Kadoya et al. Concluded that financial literacy is not directly related to the level of anxiety. Cristiel Archuleta et al. Found that solution-focused financial therapy to setting financial goals has a positive impact on self-reported financial anxiety. Rimanthas Vorsilis and Rasa Arendt found that financial identity is an important proximal outcome of family financial socialization. Derek Porter et al. Found that financial anxiety may lead to financial advice, and financial advice encourages electronic payment system use. Khurram Ajaz Khan et al. Found that students' role functions and social interdependence are tied to their levels of financial anxiety. Coming to the statement of the problem. Financial anxiety is a major hindrance in the financial satisfaction and overall happiness of individuals. The skills of individuals in managing finance also influence the level of financial anxiety as well as overall happiness. The conceptual model adopted from Cristiel et al. And Lyubomirsky and Lepper is that these constructs, financial skill and financial anxiety, have some effect on happiness. Now the objectives of the study. The present study aims to assess the relationship between financial anxiety, financial skill, and happiness of salaried individuals. The study has the following research hypotheses. There is a significant relationship between financial skill and financial anxiety. There is a significant relationship between financial anxiety and happiness. There is a significant relationship between financial skill and happiness. The methodology adopted for this study. The present study is empirical in nature using primary data collected from Google Forms. Scale items for financial anxiety and financial skill has been adopted from Cristiel et al. Scale items for happiness has been adopted from Lyubomirsky and Lepper. The survey could produce 236 valid responses which form the basis of the study. Test of reliability. The constructs are found to be reliable and eligible for further statistical procedures with a Cron-Banges alpha above 0.7 as depicted in Table 3. Test of normality. The data is not found to be normally distributed with a p-value less than 0.05. Test results are depicted in Table 3. Hence, non-parametric procedures are used to draw inferences. Coming to the results of the study. Salaried individuals expressed a lower financial anxiety with a mean value of 2.78, and the same is found to be statistically significant with p-value less than 0.05. Salaried individuals possess moderate financial skills with a mean value 3.61, and the same is found to be statistically significant with p-value less than 0.05. Happiness among salaried individuals is also found to be moderate in the context with a mean value 3.64, and the same is found to be statistically significant with a p-value less than 0.05. Significant negative correlation with R value minus 0.25 and with a p-value less than 0.05 is found between financial skills and financial anxiety, which could very well be inferred as a reason for lesser financial anxiety. Significant positive correlation with R value 0.379 and p-value less than 0.05 is found between financial skills and happiness. Significant negative correlation with R value minus 0.18 and p-value less than 0.05 is found between financial anxiety and happiness. Coming to the discussion. The present study affirms the negative influence of financial anxiety on happiness of individuals. Financial skills are also found vital in reducing anxiety and increasing happiness. Policy initiatives shall be undertook to increase the income base and financial skills to reduce financial anxiety and thereby increase happiness of individuals. Thank you.